The flying snake, scientifically known as Chrysopelea, is a remarkable creature found in parts of Southeast Asia, in regions of India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and the Philippines. The flying snake doesn't truly fly, but rather glides through the air, exhibiting a fascinating form of locomotion. These snakes typically have a long and slender body, which aids in their gliding abilities. Their elongated shape reduces air resistance and enables efficient movement through the air. Like all snakes, flying snakes are covered in scales, which serve to protect their body and aid in locomotion. These scales also contribute to their sleek appearance. One of the most distinctive features of flying snakes is their concave ventral scales. This unique adaptation allows them to flatten their bodies into an aerodynamic shape during gliding, increasing lift and stability. Flying snakes often exhibit vibrant coloration, including shades of green, black, yellow, and orange. This coloration helps them blend into their forested habitats, providing camouflage against predators and prey alike. These snakes often possess a prehensile tail, which they use to grasp onto branches and aid in arboreal locomotion. This tail provides additional stability and maneuverability while navigating through the dense canopy. These snakes have relatively large eyes compared to other snake species. This adaptation enhances their visual acuity, allowing them to accurately judge distances and assess their surroundings while gliding through the air. Like all snakes, flying snakes possess a forked tongue, which they use to sample chemical cues in their environment. This sense of smell aids in locating prey, navigating through their habitat, and identifying potential mates. Flying snakes have incredibly flexible jaws, which enable them to swallow prey much larger than their own head size. This adaptation allows them to consume a variety of prey items, ranging from small rodents to birds and even bats. These snakes possess the remarkable ability to flatten their bodies laterally, increasing surface area and creating a makeshift wing-like structure. This adaptation allows them to generate lift and control their direction while gliding. Despite lacking wings, flying snakes are incredibly agile in the air. They can adjust their body posture and make subtle movements to change direction and navigate through the dense forest canopy. Studies have shown that flying snakes can achieve glide ratios of up to 1:15, meaning they can travel horizontally 15 units for every unit of descent. This impressive gliding ability allows them to cover significant distances while minimizing energy expenditure. Gliding enables flying snakes to access otherwise inaccessible prey, such as birds and small mammals, by dropping down from tree branches and surprising their quarry from above. Flying snakes possess a specialized membrane called the patagium, which extends between their body and their lateral scales. This membrane acts as a gliding surface, providing lift and aerodynamic stability during flight. Flying snakes exhibit precise muscle control, particularly along their ventral scales, allowing them to adjust their body shape and curvature during gliding. By modulating muscle tension, they can fine-tune their aerodynamic profile and control their descent. Studies suggest that flying snakes utilize kinetic energy storage to augment their gliding performance. By converting potential energy from elevated perches into kinetic energy during takeoff, they can launch themselves into the air with greater force and efficiency. These snakes often adopt an S-shaped flight path while gliding, which helps them maintain stability and control over their trajectory. This serpentine motion allows them to make subtle adjustments to their heading and avoid obstacles in their path. During the mating season, male flying snakes may engage in combat to establish dominance and gain access to females. Combat rituals can involve intertwining and pushing against each other, with the dominant male earning the right to mate. Both male and female flying snakes utilize scent marking to communicate their reproductive status and attract potential mates. After mating, female flying snakes seek out suitable nesting sites, often in hollow trees or dense vegetation. They lay a clutch of eggs, typically ranging from 4 to 10 eggs, which they incubate until hatching. Female flying snakes may exhibit maternal care, remaining with the eggs to provide protection and thermoregulation.